Let's see what's on the radio. Okay, so this is the battery. I'll turn it on. Speaker. This is the circuit. Variable capacitor. And this is the antenna. This is the AM antenna. Capacitor, circuit, speaker, battery.
This is a very sorry state that we're in right now, of trying to present Christianity without presenting it at all. And all we do is make a few popular preachers around, and maybe that's what they're after. I do not know, but I do say it's a dangerous thing. Jesus Christ has to be popular for a person to get saved. He has to see him as his Savior and see how wonderful he is.
Jews who do not believe that Jesus Christ is the Messiah must in one degree or another follow the law given to them by Moses. This person in Hammond, California has a Jewish friend who follows the Ten Commandments and other regulations of the Jewish faith. She asks, will my friend be lost even though he follows the Ten Commandments and the rest of the law?
Yes, he's lost. Paul said that
No,
had
it's
the
not.
law been given that could bring salvation, that salvation would have come by the law.
No, it's not
The
lost.
law cannot save people because there's nothing wrong with the law, but there's a great deal wrong with people. Now you're giving your friend a great deal of credit. He's a sinner just like you are. And he needs
Well,
to
it's a
come
good.
to
The
Christ.
preacher is a good guy anyway.
And I think that
Well, you see, this is the variable capacitor. So we can try to change, but by rotating it, we can change the station. It's very tricky, but we can try. Can barely see it.
about this, well, you better lose his friendship than for him to lose his soul.
And we want them to have a really good feeling about the financial moves that they make. It's good for the heirs and good for the house. The house is a total entity in a relationship. And
This is a
taking care
different
of it
station.
definitely makes an important piece of the financial puzzle come together. So if you or a loved one are in a position where you're looking at your future and you're looking at either retirement or an active retirement and a longevity of life with time and opportunity to enjoy and the funds that you need in order to not be stressed about
You
your
see, the
living
filtering is
situation,
not
please
perfect, so
give
you
me a
can
call,
kind of hear a little bit of each station.
831-0385. My email, Misha, MESHA, at EssexMortgage.com. You can find me on Facebook or LinkedIn, and we can have a conversation about whether it's you or a family member, how to have those conversations and get all of that information out on the table so that it's comfortable for everyone. And sometimes there will be a level of uncomfortability, and sometimes children talking to parents about financing is uncomfortable. Sometimes parents who have made decisions about what they want to do with their finances is uncomfortable for them to talk to their children about. And so we have some tips and some strategies on how to share on that and make everyone see the best opportunity out there. All right, in the mortgage term update for today, I wanted to talk with you about bridge loans. Now, bridge
Let's
loans
try
are
one more station. This is not easy to rotate this thingy
for the
because
sale of a property or to leverage a property that is not even potentially even being sold. Leverage the equity there in order to make another acquisition. Between two different things. One that
Let's be very clear about what salvation is. He just manhandles all of the defenders on the field, so they are leading 14-3.
is a different sport.
Time today. Wonderful to see you on this Sunday. Congratulations on the big Broncos victory.
I'm overwhelmed. I don't know what to say.
We'll be right back. It's Inside the Betting Lines.
Need some friends to sweat out all your Sunday action with? Listen to Inside the Betting Lines, presented by BetMGM, only on BetQL and streaming live on Twitch.tv.
That's a different station, obviously.
Buying a home? Rocket Mortgage will cover 1% of your rate for the first year. At
Good quality.
Drop within 3 years of your home purchase, and you get exclusive savings when you refinance at that new lower rate. More home upgrades.
Good.
More rainy day funds. More cash in your pocket. Save when you buy today and refinance tomorrow. Call 8337-ROCKET today or visit inflationbuster.com to start saving. That's 8337-ROCKET or go to inflationbuster.com.
For fees covered rate, like requirements and other terms and conditions, visit inflationbuster.com. Call 1-8337-ROCKET. Equal housing lender license in all 50 states. NMLS Consumer Access.org. Number 3030. Greg is a real Prevagen user and paid testimonialist.
I'm Greg. I'm 68 years old. Grew up in Cleveland, Ohio. Majored in business administration. I do motivational speaking in addition to substitute teaching. Part of the reason for my motivational speaking is
Sometimes if you move the antenna just a little bit, it changes which stations you can pick up.
my wife Wanda is a
But
senior flight attendant. She's been
it's
flying
hard
for
to
over 30
do it
years.
while recording the video as well.
Start realizing that they don't recall things as quickly as they used to, or they don't remember things as vividly as they once did. I've been taking Prevagen for about 3 years.
Okay, let's do one last station and